Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Christmas colouring book that will sell and make you so much money using just a free software. So this is a big one for today, and make sure you stick around so you don't miss a single bit of information I have for you guys. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And before we get into anything, can I just ask you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly appreciated and doesn't take you half a second to do. Now before we get into anything, just like to say I hope you guys are all having a great day. As you can see at the moment it's slightly darker. Normally I don't record this dark, but yeah, we just got our nice light here, and well, I just thought, well, what better thing to do than to make a video for you guys on how to make more money, and a niche that is very good at the moment. And well, let's just talk about this niche. Now, this niche is honestly huge right now, and this is the perfect time to start uploading Christmas books, even though it's like 4 months away. We're in August at the moment. I think it might be like August 25th, 26th, so it's exactly 4 months away. But this is the perfect time to creating these books because, well, if you start uploading now, then it gives time for Amazon to index your book, so when it comes to the Christmas period, your book will be on the first page, so when people are searching through for Christmas colouring books to buy for their kids, well, yours is going to be on their first page, which means there's more chance of people buying your book, which means more money. And well, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a lot of that money just with a free software. This is honestly huge, but I don't want to waste any more time, and let's just start by going through on Amazon and having a look at how much money you could be making with this niche and different books that people are creating, so you can get some ideas for yourself. And then we'll go on to later on in the video into actually creating the interior itself and how I would go about creating them. So I'm not going to waste any more time and jump straight into it. Let's go. Okay, so at the moment, as you can see, we are on Amazon. Now, we're going to start off by simply just searching up Christmas colouring books. Now, before we get into anything, I just want to give a vital point and pointer to help you guys out with making more money and doing better keyword and niche research. As you can see here on the left, it says here all next to where you would type in what you're searching for. Now, in the past, I would say click on that and then go down to, where is it? Books, and search from there. But now I know that is not the right thing to do because, well, when people are coming on Amazon, they're not going and clicking on books department and then searching for a book. They're just going on the all and then searching from there to find their gifts for people for Christmas and gifts for whenever. So yeah, that's just a tip to give you guys, because that means you'll get more accurate niche and keyword research because, well, you're finding keywords based on what other people are searching for. So yeah, just a quick pointer for you guys. And yeah, like I said, let's just simply type in Christmas colouring book and let's see how many results we get. Okay, 10,000 results. It's not ideal. I know it's not ideal, and like I say, my criteria is you want to get it under 1,000 or 1,000, and obviously we know there's going to be a few top sellers, so that's not something we have to think about with the criteria, because as you can see here, we got 60,000, 9,000, 19,000, 11,000. It's not even close to Christmas yet. So yeah, 10,000 results, it's not ideal. But this is just to get an idea of what kind of books other people are creating, and then we can look to niche down ourselves. So, Christmas colouring book for kids. This looks good. It's got a bestsellers rank of 60,000. Let's just have a quick look at this and see if we can get a look inside. And yes, we can. And as you can see, very nice front cover, very stylish, very appealing to the eye. And yeah, I'd say this is probably out of like a 10 out of 10 scale, I'd say this is a 10 out of 10. This is perfect for kids. You've got a lot of colours, it stands out to people, and it's something I would buy for my kids because it's just very appealing, it's very cartoony, and yeah, if you're looking to create the perfect Christmas colouring book front cover, this is it. Now, let's just have a look inside and see what kind of things they are doing. And okay, this is very simple stuff. Now, there's many different ways you can go about this. You could go on to different websites such as Vecteezy, Creative Fabrica. There's loads out there, and try and find these sort of designs to put in your book. But what I think this guy has done is he's hand drawn them himself. And well, the way you can do that is some people do it on like an iPad Pro, I think I've seen. They can like draw them with one of their pens, or I've also got a Wacom pad myself, so I can draw this in like Adobe Illustrator. But yeah, This makes it very unique because it's not being copied from anyone else. And yeah, so this is one way you could create an interior if you're very into that arty sort of thing, you're very creative, you like drawing. But personally, I'm not a very good drawer. This is not how I would go about doing it. But this is just get an idea of what other people are doing and what sells. And yeah, as you can see, very nice designs. They're very, very simple. I mean, I think I could even draw this gingerbread man right here. Reindeer. It's very, very simple stuff. And this book has a bestsellers rank of, like I said, 60,000, sells for $5.95, and it's been up since August 20th, 2019, so that's last year. And that means we should be able to see how well it did last Christmas. And if we have a look, go back to Christmas time, so as you can see at the moment we're at 60,000. If we go back to Christmas time, let's see its bestsellers rank, and oh my god. Oh my god, it had a bestsellers rank of that whole Christmas month. It was below 2,000. That is ridiculous. It's about 1,500-ish. And if you want to know how much you're making from a bestsellers rank of 1,500, let's just take a quick look. So if we go into the Amazon Books calculator, I just type in BSR Amazon calculator and it'll come up. Go change that from ebook to book. Type in 1,500, calculate sales, 1,643 sales per month, and selling at $5.95, I would say that's about $1.50 profit. So if we go to calculator, type 1,643 times 1.5 equals 2,464.5. So that means they earned, in that Christmas month, they earned around $2,464.50 from that one singular book. That's not even including, I'm sure they're selling many other books. I'm sure they could even be selling many other books with the same interior, just a different cover. And, well, I mean, that's just ridiculous. That just shows right there how much you can make in 1 month from this. And even from now, well, bestsellers rank of 60,000, if we just search that up, that's still making 78 sales per month. So, yeah, this is a very good example if you want to be creating a nice Christmas colouring book for kids. And let's just have a look at one other book to get a sort of idea, another idea. Let's pick this one. I'm sure this is a very, very good one. Joanna's Christmas, a festive colouring book for adults, and it already has a bestsellers rank of 9,000, so I can't imagine what it was like at Christmas time. And yeah, I mean, again, very unique style, although still quite simple to make. I'm sure you can find these sort of graphics on Creative Fabrica, because this is the kind of thing they would sell on Creative Fabrica. And yeah, even just plain paper so you can draw them yourselves. So it's quite interesting to see. And this book looks like it had a Christmas as well. Did it have a Christmas? It's had how many Christmases? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see during the Christmas period how its bestsellers rank goes ridiculously low. So I'm sure this book makes a very good income for this person, Joanna Basford. So yeah, this looks like it got to its lowest and it got a bestsellers rank of, what was its lowest? 74! It got a bestsellers rank of 74 at one point. And you saw how simple this interior was. If you did your time just to find the right graphics, and even just used plain paper at some points to have, like, so people could draw their own Christmas drawings. And if you want to get an idea of how much you make from a bestsellers rank of 74, 11,535 sales per month. And how much are they selling it for? $7.90. So I'm going to say that's around $2 profit. Royalties they make from each book. So 11,535 times 2 equals $23,070. $23,070 in one singular month. And what Christmas was that? Christmas time in 2016. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, I don't know what to say. That is just ridiculous. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure you guys can now see the potential there is within this niche, and oh my god, is it ridiculous. I mean, I don't know what to say really. I'm speechless. But yes, like I said, 10,000 results, that's too much. But In today's video, I'm going to be creating an interior using a reindeer. So a way you can niche down on that is creating a reindeer colouring book. And let's see how many searches you get for that reindeer colouring book. 229 searches. Okay, that already meets the number 1 criteria that we have, below 1,000. And then we have to find 3 books within the 300,000 bestsellers rank. Okay, 60,000. That's 1 book we've already seen. So they've obviously done well, found the keywords associated with each other. So yeah, that's good. 81,000, yes, that's another. 280,000, 75,000, that's 4. So we've already beaten it. 100,000, 9,000. I mean, I don't really have much more to say than this is perfect. This is honestly perfect. A reindeer colouring book is a very good keyword. I would write that down right now. Get out a pen and paper, write that down, reindeer colouring book. And that's something just to keep in mind when you want to create these interiors. Okay, so that's just an example of how you can niche down. You can use all sorts of other keywords that are associated with Christmas, such as snowmen, doves, owls, all sorts of things like that. Or just Christmas colouring book for kids. Let's have a look at that. Christmas colouring book for kids. 5,000 results already. That's halved the 10,000. So let's just get straight to designing our interior. Now I'm going to be using the software Canva, and there is better ones out there. There is ones such as Gravit Designer, Inkscape, which are good, and there's also one by BookBolt which isn't free but you have to pay for. But if you've seen my video on BookBolt, I'll leave a link up there if you haven't. It's something I'd really recommend in investing in. Not only do you get that cover and interior designer, you can also do all sorts of different tricks, finding keywords associated with other keywords, and honestly, it's one of the best softwares I've ever seen. So yeah, go and click that video up there. And also, if you're interested in purchasing it and you want to get 20% off your purchase, click the link in my description and use the discount code Mr. Roza and you get 20% off your purchase, as it's software I really recommend. If I didn't believe that it was worthwhile to you guys, then I wouldn't be promoting it. And yeah, it's just something I would look at investing in. So let's start off by going into Canva and just creating our interior size. And firstly, what you've got to do is log in on the top right. I forgot to do that, I've done it now. And then all you've got to do is click create a design, custom dimensions, and we're going to do it in inches because that's what Amazon do it in. And then we're just going to go, what should we go with? Let's go for 6x9 because that's the one I use a lot in my videos and a lot for my books. So 6x9 inch interior, create design. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to a site called Vecteezy and search for a Christmassy style background. Now remember, your options are going to be limited because, well, you're creating this book for free. So it's not something I'd recommend in doing. I would recommend in actually just investing a tiny bit of money, like a site called Creative Fabrica, where you can download a lot of sort of graphics, and I'll show you in a minute. Because in the end, well, you're going to be making a lot more money than those few dollars that you're spending just getting and creating the perfect interior. So go into Vecteezy. What I did is just typed up Christmas background, had a look around, and well, this is the kind of thing I'm going to be looking to create. It's black and white and it's perfect. You can see how kids could colour it in. It's something that could sell. And all you've got to do is click free download here, free license, wait for it to download. And once it's downloaded, it's going to go into my downloads folder here. I'm going to open it up and then I should get a SVG file, which I'm going to then drop into Canva, wait for it to load into Canva. May take a few minutes, and then now it's in here. I'm just going to extend it out and, well, create it the size of my interior. Now my interior with this book will probably be with bleed, and we're just going to center it where I like it. Something like that is good for me. And now we've finished creating that page, and you can just leave it like this, or you can make it more detailed depending on however you want to do it. It is completely up to you. And then what I'm going to next do is click add new page, and I'm going to go over back into Vecteezy. Just search up reindeer, scroll down until you find something you like. I like this reindeer at the bottom, that's perfect for colouring in. Then all you're going to do is click free download. I've already done it here, and as you can see I've already dragged it over and it's already downloaded in my Canva folder here. And then just drag it onto the new page and extend it out however far you like, whatever size you want it to be, and boom, second page done. It literally can be as simple as this. If you want to be creating it using free software, it's going to be as simple as this. And honestly, I do think this will sell as well, because it's perfect for kids. It's very, very simple stuff, and already I'm liking these books. You can see after a few pages, they can start to get more and more exciting and stuff like that. And I know with Canva, you can actually pay for the pro version, and you can get free 30 days if you guys are interested. And you can remove the background, so it means you have more variety when it comes to downloading images on vectors, because you can remove the background on a lot of them to make them black and white, meaning you can colour it in and stuff like that. So yeah, that is how you can do it for free. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it with money, and the website I'd go to is Creative Fabrica. Then just type in Christmas and see what comes up, and hopefully, yeah, this kind of thing, Christmas digital paper. If you download these, turn them into black and white images, and actually in Creative Fabrica, I wonder if they've got any Christmas interiors. That's something that, well, I would look at as well. So obviously they've got Christmas to-do list. What about Christmas colouring interiors? Christmas colouring pack. Okay, this looks interesting. Boom, there you go. This is the kind of thing I'd recommend to you guys. And how many images do you get? You get, well, you can see how many. And actually, these look like the kind of things that were being uploaded in those books that were making 11,000 in a month of Christmas, or 23,000, or however much it is. It's just so much. And obviously, you can pay for the $15 just there, or you can pay for the unlimited version, which is $29 a month, which I would recommend to you guys if you're looking at using Creative Fabrica a lot. So yeah, that is the way I'd recommend you do it. But obviously, you can use the free way, like I said. It just takes more time, whereas this saves time, and well, you'll get better graphics, I think, as well. So anyway, I hope you guys found that useful, and I hope you guys can make something out of this. I hope you guys can make a lot of money out of this. And if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. I love reading and replying to all your comments. And if I don't reply to a comment, it's probably because it's going to be featured in the next episode of KDP Questions, because I like to do that sort of series where I answer some of your questions, or more personal questions, which, you know, you can't just search up on the internet. So yeah, I really, really hope you found that useful, and let me know how you find this business in the comment below. Again, I'm always interested in what you guys have to say, and hopefully, yeah, you can make a lot of money out of this like these other people you've seen can. And hopefully you'll be the next person that's earning 23,000 in 1 month from one of these books. You never know. And well, once again, if you enjoy, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, as it is greatly, greatly appreciated and doesn't take you half a second to do. And keep those post notifications on, because in the next few weeks, I'm going to be looking to uploading more frequently for you guys. So yeah, have those post notifications on, so you don't miss another one of my videos, and you can get in there straight away so you don't miss any valuable information. And well, I have nothing else to say, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.